At 1:22 p.m., I asked my mom to block me. It says delivered under the message, and the message is blue. She says okay. I text two more messages. They're both blue. And after she blocked me, underneath them, it does not say delivered. It doesn't say anything. It's 1:24. My text arrow going up is blue. The message bubble says iMessage, and nothing says delivered. Okay, it's been 24 hours and I'm going back to the thread and I can see iMessage is in the text bubble, as well as when I start typing, that blue arrow is showing. So I know that when I send it, it's going to be blue because I'm not blocked anymore. And that's how you can tell.